All right, let's go ahead and run you through the ropes of creating a basic animated ball with the rig that I've provided to you. To get started, let's go ahead and set our project. So I'll click on File, come down to Set Project, and then I'm going to navigate to where I have that ball folder saved. All right, I just want to select the root folder and select Choose. And by default now, when I go to connect images, when I go to open to save scenes, Maya will automatically go to the correct folders to do so. So I'll just go ahead and select this ball.mb and open it. All right, and here we go. We have this basic little ball right here. What you're looking at is you have your animation handle, which is this little ring right here at the bottom. We're going to be using this much in the same way that we were using null objects in Adobe After Effects. All right, so this is the parent, the ball is the child, and the reason why I've set it up this way is so that we have some liberty to be able to animate the ball independently of the parent or independently of our animation handle to achieve a very specific effect. All right, now before we get started, you need to make sure that you have your channel box editor open. All right, if it's not open by default, you can go ahead and open it by clicking on, let's see which of these tabs. All right, by clicking on one of these tabs up here, I can't remember exactly which one it is, until you have the channel box editor that's open over here in the right-hand side of the UI. All right, now we will be using the timeline right down here along the bottom of our viewport or our workspace. All right, and we will be toggling in and out of the graph editor view, which is this particular icon on our tool palette down here on the on the left-hand side of the screen. So the first thing that I'm going to do, we have our timeline set to 32 frames, and that's perfect. That's what I found to be a nice timing for this particular exercise. I'm going to move this little timeline selector right to the 1 frame mark. Now I will click on the Translate Y attribute. I don't want to click on the value, just the Translate Y attribute. I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to select Key Selected. All right, and you'll notice when I do so that it turns that field pink. All right, what that means that we've done is we've locked in that value of the Translate Y attribute at the first frame in our timeline. Now I'm going to